They are disputed by and between spouses Arman C. Labang Sr. and Maria Norma P. Labang, both of legal age Filipino and resident of Purakwiti, Tacloban City of Naga Cebu, Philippines, were after called as the donor. And Church of Christ in Tacloban City of Naga, Cebu, Philippines Incorporation, hereafter known as the DONI, represented by Armando P. Labang Jr. of legal age Filipino marriage and with residence address of Purakwiti, Tacloban City of Naga Cebu, Philippines, and Brad Rodan Alferez of legal age Filipino married and with residence address of Midori Subdivision, Tong of Inglaterra, Cebu, Philippines, and Benny L. Cabiga of legal age Filipino married and with residence address at Rock Laguni, Lutang City of Naga, Cebu, Philippines. Donor and donee are hereafter collectively referred to as parties and individually referred as party, donor, or donee. Witnesses that the donor is the absolute and exclusive owner and possessor of a certain parcel of land with buildings situated in Tacloban City of Naga Cebu, Philippines, containing a total area of 1,927 square meters. That the said parcel of the land is identified as Lot 4045, Mark PSU 0701-003335, and Lot 4045, Park, consisting of 1,716 square meters and 167 square meters, respectively. That the said parcel of land is particularly described in the attached Spanish plan for Lot 4045 Park PSU-07 Tier 1-00335 and is identified in the said Spanish plan as Church of Christ in Pangan. Whereas the donor has not been a regular member of Church of Christ in Pangan, City of Naga Cebu, Philippines Incorporation. Whereas for ideal consideration of the donor's love, faith, loyalty to Jesus Christ and to the Church of Christ, and as an act of liberality and generosity, the donor hereby freely and voluntarily give the name, city, transfer, and convey by way of donation the above described parcel of land to be used as a location area of the Church of Christ in Tacloban City of Naga Cebu, Philippines Incorporation, free from all liens and encumbrances. Whereas the donor donates his property to support the church in fulfilling its mission of spreading the message of Jesus Christ and His amazing grace and recognizing Jesus Christ as the Son of God, the Lord and Savior. This generous act stems from the donor's unwavering faith and deep commitment to furthering the church's effort in reaching and uplifting more individuals through its ministry. The donor's intention is to facilitate the church's outreach and enhance its capacity to serve the community, thereby fostering a greater understanding of the teaching of Jesus Christ. Whereas the donor's donations of the property will become effective on the 12th day of June 2025. Whereas the parties agree on the following consideration of the agreement set forth herein. Number 1, purpose of donation. The church hereby agrees to use the property solely for the purpose of its religious mission and values and its accordance with the law. Second, 2, terms and conditions. 2.1, as soon as it is signed by all parties, this agreement will go into effect and will remain in force. 2.2, under no circumstances can the donation of the property to the church be revoked. 2.3, every tax and assessment imposed on the property shall be paid by the church. In the event that the church cannot pay for any tax and assessment imposed on the property, other churches of Christ in Cebu can pay on behalf of it. And 2.4, the property must be kept in good condition and repaired by the church. This implies that maintaining the property in a secure and livable state is the church's responsibility. This includes maintaining the grounds and performing any necessary maintenance or repair to the property. The board of trustees, along with the leaders and members of the church, shall oversee the management of the church in accordance with the biblical doctrine. In the event that any teaching are found to be in conflict with the biblical doctrine, in the use of the property for church services and activities, or if there are no remaining members to utilize the property shall continue to be held and operated under the name of the Church of Christ in Pangan City of Naga Cebu, Philippines Incorporation. It will not be returned to the Lord. The other churches of Christ in Cebu can help in restoring church activities and service in the church. Number 4, full agreement. 4.1. The parties' understanding as to the subject matter of this contract is fully expressed in this contract, which supersedes all prior or contemporaneous communications, representations, or agreements, whether oral or written. This means that no other agreements, representations, or communications between the parties regarding donations to the property are relevant or enforceable, and that the contract represents the entire understanding between the parties. And 4.2. This clause is crucial because it forbids one party from arguing that the other made promises or representations that are reflected in the contract. Additionally, it safeguards the interests of the parties by ensuring that the contract represents their entire and final understanding. Whereas the Doni, the Church of Christ in Pangan City of Naga Cebu, Philippines Incorporation, duly represented by Armando P. Labans Jr., Ronald U. Alferez, and Benny L. Tumila, do hereby accept this donation and to hereby express this gratitude for the kindness and liberality of the donor. In witness whereof we have hereunto set our hands this 12th day of June 2025 at Cebu, Philippines. The donor, Armando C. Laban Sr., Maria Norma P. Laban, donor, accepted by Church of Christ in Pangan City of Naga, Cebu, Philippines Incorporation. The Doni, represented by the Board of Trustees, Armando P. Laban Jr., Ronald U. Alferez, and Benny L. Tumila for trustees. our ministers of Talisay, we will okay, so in behalf sa atong Sister Ingrid, atong documents, ibabaw lang sa inyong as a clear copy or tinatawag na ito to be followed, Sister Ingrid, ang documents. Then karon ang ipaabot ni Bert Arman o ni ating speech plan from the municipality sa Saudi for our land. So, kami ang paabot sa donor na ibawag yun karon na ginawat nila speech plan and then the document ipaabot sa attorney morning na ibasa na to to be followed dito sa documents, sa original documents.
Prepare sa dates of today.